Hi, my name is Roger, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Vive Biotics before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Vive Biotics supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Vive Biotics, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. Vive Biotics offers an effective solution for those suffering from gluten-related gastrointestinal issues. It is designed to break down proteins found in gluten, helping reduce inflammation while restoring balance to the intestinal wall. The carefully selected ingredients work together to regulate digestive health and prevent bad bacteria from overgrowing, thus promoting general well-being. All of its ingredients work together in synchrony to remove harmful toxins from the body while promoting healthy digestion and nutrient absorption. The blend is also designed to boost immune system function and improve intestinal function by increasing good bacteria concentrations while decreasing bad bacteria. Additionally, it helps reduce bloating and other digestive discomforts like constipation or diarrhea. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Vive Biotics supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Vive Biotics for 180 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to Vive Biotics work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Vive Biotics has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Vive Biotics, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Vive Biotics actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.